step by step on how to apply here at Poly English. First is to open your Google account, then type teach.polyenglish.cn/new. So you will be redirected to their website. Then after putting your email address, you will check the acknowledgement, click accept, then welcome to join us. You need to put your email, then request a code using your email. Go to your Gmail and Poly English will send you a verification code. So this is it. We already have our Poly English verification code. So we will put it here, verification code or our OTP. Then after that, you will put your password and retype or enter your password again to confirm. Then click by continuing, then click sign up. Welcome to apply as a teacher at Poly English. The first step is your basic information. You need to upload your picture or your avatar here. It should be in a plain white background. You need to center your face. And then you will select your gender, your full name. You will put your full name, your first name, middle name, and your last name. Okay, in this part, if you have any experience like any other online teaching like 512, Fish, anything, Weblio, um, or if you're a public school teacher, you can click that all. Then after completing your basic information, you need to wait at least 5 to 6 minutes for your basic information to be reviewed by the Poly English. And then they will email you that your basic information is approved. So you need to continue that one, or you can go back to your previous website. Then after that, it is already approved. You need to click the next step. So the next step is the device test. You need to download their Poly English application. So we are already here. So just click the profile above, then select device test. And when you're done, you can go back here. So let's do the pronunciation test. It will only last for about 3 minutes. So you need to pronounce their text. They will give you a text and you need to pronounce it right. And so here is the text that you need to read.
In the Philippines, Miss Clara, a teacher, planned a day of adventure. She set up a beautiful tent under one of the 33 trees on the school grounds. The children, excited to participate, used a pen and pencil to draw a picture of a penguin. They played games where they had to catch hidden crabs using spoons and skip over imaginary triceratops and predators. They also learned to throw objects without hitting each other. Clapping when they saw a magpie and avoiding the trap kept them thrilled. The clock ticked as they enjoyed their time. The day ended with a story about treasure on the television at the station.
Submit. You can click submit. Okay, so it's processing. You have a total three attempts to submit. If all of the three fail, your application will be discontinued. But before each submission, you are not satisfied with your current recording, you can click re-record. And then after we pass the pronunciation test, we will do the step 4, which is the demo video. And Poly English will give us two options on how we will do our demo. First is the option 1. Yeah, you will submit your own actual online teaching. You will showcase your online classroom and your online teaching skills. And the second one, which is we need to do this because Philippine teachers have to do this. You need to demo using the PowerPoint that Poly English will provide. So you need to download the PPT. Just click download PPT there, and you will have their material, and you can start recording yourself. And so here how our Poly English demo lessons evaluated. First is the classroom setting. It includes here the lighting, your visual distraction and noise control, your posture, your background, your camera angle, and then how you dress, your dressing. It should be proper. Do not wear sleeveless. The second one is your teaching skills. Here includes your energy and attentiveness, TPR, graded instruction language, talking pace, supplementary tools, and reward and behavior management. Then you will click understand and go to upload. So you need to upload your demo video. First, teacher, you need to upload it in Google Drive because they will ask you for a demo video link. So you need to upload your demo in Google Drive. And copy your link, then click submit. And then our demo video is already approved, and let's proceed to training, the NTT. I already uploaded my training video on YouTube channel. You can check it here. And so if you're ready, you can start recording, but don't worry, they will give you the material that you can. Then when you are already in the platform or the classroom, this is the training or the Poly English teacher training, and you can start recording yourself. And after you pass your training, you will go the last step, which is the documents check. You will undergo a criminal background check during completing the final step of your application process. This is very important. You need to obtain a certificate of no criminal record from the NBI or in your local police station. You need to upload the photo, and uh, you need that the information, all the information should be clear and readable.